So I've created my data frame here, and I'm going to show it to you guys. So this is the states, and then it has different statistics for these states. And what I'm going to show you how to do is take all of these columns to the right, so all of the statistics columns, and make this long data so that you only have three columns: Alabama, the statistic, and then the number that goes along with that statistic, so that you can use it in the way that you want to be able to use it instead of it being spread out here. So the first thing I'm going to do is load in tidyverse so that I can use the pipe function. Once I have that, I can do df. I'm going to use the pipe function using Control Shift M. And that just means that whatever data is in front of this is going to be put as the data in the next set. And then what I can do is use the function of gather. And what gather is going to take in is it's going to take in two column names. So it's going to take in column name 1, column name 2, and then it's going to take in the data that you want it to actually pull from. So in this case, what our column name 1 is going to be is what is the column name for that's going to be over all these different names here. And so what I'm going to make that is just statistic. Then the second column name is what is the column name that's going to actually be for the values in each of the columns. So I'm going to make this one value. And the data I want it to pull is population through, so I can just use the colon there, area. So when I run this with just Shift Enter, you can see I now have the state, the statistic, and then the value here. So you can see that the area is down here, and this just allows me to be able to manipulate it in the way that I want. If you want to check out how to undo that and go the opposite way to recreate this table, check out the video on your screen now.